Hi YouTube, this is a quick tutorial on how to fix the unrecognizable disk error for backup games in a flash Xbox 360. The situation is you have an Xbox 360 that is flashed but does not recognize backup games. Occasionally it does somehow miraculously, but on a regular basis it does not. This is what I'm talking about. You have a backup of, say, Madden 2010. Oh, and I do have the original game, by the way. This is not a pirated game. Anyway, Madden 2010. You put it in. And it does not read properly. You can skip forward like about a minute or so. It takes a while to read and the error for it to pop up. You hear the disk spinning, and it's going to fail. It's going to stop. That's the error. It says clean the disk with a soft cloth to restart the console. Now, chances are it's not your disk being dirty. You probably just burned this backup right now and you got a fresh disk. The disk is not dirty. That is not the problem. Be careful when taking out your backups. They might be still spinning, so we'll just wait until they're done spinning. So, now what you're going to do is you're going to take a legit game. I have Forza Motorsport 3 and install it on your hard drive. Or take any other game and install it on your hard drive. The reason you want to have it installed on your hard drive is because the disk doesn't have to be spun while the game is being played. That is the thing you want to take advantage of. So you're going to pop this in. It's going to load. And right when the disk stops spinning and you're still able to be playing the game, that's when you're going to take some action. The disk is spinning right now. That little buzz was the disk stopping. Now the disk has been stopped. Now you can go ahead and do this. Click eject anytime. Take your backup. Put it in. And it should work now. This works with all my backups.
EA Sports. It's a game. The time to make history starts right now.
There is the original copy of Madden 2010.
One more win.
My Xbox 360, for the record, is an MS-25 Samsung Drive flashed AV model with the floating heatsink on the GPU. Thank you, YouTube. Let me know if this worked for you.